We'll guide you through how to make abstract pattern in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because abstract pattern design is useful for digital art, branding, textiles, social media graphics, and print projects. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the workspace appears, move your cursor to the top menu bar and find the File option. Click File to open the drop-down menu. Then choose New to begin creating a fresh document. A setup window will appear where you can select your preferred preset size for the project. After choosing the size that best matches your design needs, click the Create button to open a blank canvas. Begin drawing your abstract pattern by using the available drawing tools in Illustrator. You can experiment with different tools until you find one that matches the style of pattern you want to create. For this example, use the Paintbrush tool to make freeform lines and shapes. Right-click on the Paintbrush tool icon and select the Blob Brush tool from the list. After selecting it, double-click the Blob Brush tool so you can adjust the stroke thickness settings before drawing. Once the settings are ready, draw randomly across the canvas while following the design idea you have in mind. If your artwork needs more variation, change the brush color whenever necessary to add contrast and visual interest. You should also combine different line thicknesses to create a more dynamic and layered appearance in the pattern. When you finish drawing, select all of the objects on the canvas and group them together so they stay organized while editing. After grouping the artwork, reposition and resize the pattern based on the specific spot where you want it to appear. Next, duplicate the pattern and arrange the copies carefully until they form a larger and more complete pattern set. Finally, take your time arranging every element so the overall pattern follows your desired design and looks balanced on the canvas. As you continue adjusting the duplicated patterns, pay attention to spacing, alignment, and the flow between each repeated shape or line. Small adjustments can improve the overall appearance